All right, welcome to the LCP Digital Learning Channel. Today's video is going to be for any of you teachers who are trying to share your at-home learning videos with students, and maybe you're having some issues getting them into Google Chrome, or the sharing is a little bit difficult. So your other option is going to be using the YouTube account, which is connected to the Google account that we have through LCISD. So logging into YouTube on the app or on your computer is going to allow you to upload those videos to your YouTube account and then share them via link. So let's jump right in. So let's talk about how to get that video that you need up on your teacher YouTube account. So here I am at youtube.com and I have signed in. So I'm actually signed in as a sample teacher right now. And so what I'm going to do is find this button right here. I'm inside of Chrome. You're going to see upload video. If you have never used your YouTube account to upload videos, you might have to follow a couple steps to turn this on as a YouTube account. So I'm going to say get started. And then just go ahead and choose this left one, which is just your teacher account name. Now, it may ask you to sign up for a bunch of different stuff. If you're not interested in having this YouTube account, look, like with your picture and things like that, no big deal. All you have to do is just say, set up later. Okay, so this is going to bring up my YouTube account. But let's go back to the very beginning so I can show you, now that you've actually set this account up, how to upload this video. So I've gone back to the main page. This time when I click this video and upload, it's now going to bring me to the upload section. So just gonna click learn more, no big deal. All right, so this window should pop up right here. What I'm gonna do is select file. Or I can just drag that from my file that I have on my computer, but I'm just gonna press select file. I'm going to choose where that file is. I have it on my desktop and press open. This is going to start the upload process. It's next going to bring up a window to give your details. This first window is your title. So I'm going to title this one Lesson 1. You could title it the lesson name, you could title it the date, whatever. And then if you wanted to, you could also put a description down here that's pertinent about this video. Once it's done processing, you're welcome to choose which thumbnail. But what I'm going to do is, the one that's very important is when I scroll down just a little bit, audience, I need to say, yes, this is made for kids, because this is a video that is being seen by children. I'm going to go ahead and press next. I don't need any video elements unless I'm trying to get fancy, so I'm just going to press next. Now, visibility, this is the important part. This is how you want this video to be shared with your students. If I click public, this means that this video lives on my YouTube channel for anyone to see. Unlisted means only people with the link to this video can find and watch this video. So I'm going to do this one as unlisted. Then I'm going to click save. This is going to bring up a window that how you can share this. This is the link that you share with your students, so you can either copy this link right now, but let me show you how to find this link once you're done uploading that video. So I'm going to exit out of this, and I'm going to go again back to the main YouTube channel. That way I can show you where this video lives. So again, over here on the right-hand side, my account. Now you're going to see something that says YouTube Studio. When I come to my YouTube Studio, this is how I manage my videos. On the left-hand side, you're going to see videos. And eventually, when you start uploading a lot of videos, you're going to see a list of the videos you're uploading. Here's the one I just uploaded. When I hover over this, I'm going to be able to edit the details, see analytics, comments, things like that. But what I want to do is make sure, A, that it's still saved as unlisted. And then this 3 dots right here, if I click these 3 dots, I can get shareable link. Now, what's nice about this is I can copy that link, it says link copy to my clipboard. I can paste this in Google Classroom. I can send it in an email, but let me show you what this is going to look like. So let me go ahead and just open up a new Chrome window. Now I'm actually signed in as myself. When I paste this video, it will take me to YouTube. Now, you may need to, as a teacher, once you've gone to this video, see how it says video not approved? I'm going to approve this video. That way, students are going to be able to watch this video. So now that I've shown you how to upload and manage this on your YouTube channel from Chrome, let me jump into the iPad just in case you want to upload videos from your iPad. Okay, so now here I am at YouTube. The main thing I want to make sure is that at this top right corner, you are signed in to the same account that you're using as your teacher. And you'll see that same camera button. I'm going to press the camera button. It's going to bring up option. I can live record with my iPad, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the video that I want to upload. So for example, I want this video right here. So I'm going to click this one. It's going to preview that video. Let's pause that for you. I can trim this if I need to shorten that video on either side, but I'm just going to go ahead and press the next button. Same thing. I can say lesson 2, and then I can add my description if I need to. And then again, I want to make sure under privacy when I click this that it is unlisted. I don't want this to be public or private. I'm going to make this unlisted. Then I'm going to say upload. It's going to upload this video. Now, again, depending on how long the video is, how fast your internet is, it's going to upload and process this video. Once it's done processing, then you can share that link. Okay, so now that I've uploaded that video, if I need to find that link from the app, what I'm going to do is down here at the bottom, library, and then it will start in history. You're going to press your videos. Now you can see the lesson 1 I made from my computer, and here's that lesson 2. I'm going to press the 3 dots, share, and now I can copy this link, or I can send it through Gmail or Classroom. So I'm going to copy that link. Now I can paste this in the Google Classroom, email it, whatever you need to do. My advice for you guys is to start some sort of document that you paste all these links with descriptions. That way, if a student needs it again and you can't find it real quickly, you can just copy and paste it. So again, you can get that link from the YouTube app, or you can go through your computer and go to YouTube and sign in and go to YouTube Studio. All right, I hope this was helpful in getting you guys set up on YouTube and uploading your videos into YouTube.